Hey, good news for people living in Germany. Before we start, if you're first time of coming across this video, please like, share, and also subscribe to my channel. This place will always bring you good news, nothing but the truth. We tell you how it take the play. We know they have sugar, we know they have salt. I just bring good news for my people where they live for Germany. Because now, Germany government, they don't come together, three parties, they don't come together, they don't see and say, wetin they go do to help foreigner, to help immigrant wey dem no get document for Germany. Now they join head together, come reason and say e go better make dem give people document, because una know say Germany na the country wey be say dem no dey give their document anyhow. If they give their document na one touch. So they say they wan give people document, and e go start on the 1st of January 2020. So na good news say we will enter new year with good news for people wey dey for Germany. So this thing now no be say because say una here and people wey dey live for another country una go rush go there, because condition dey. The condition be say you must dey the country for 5 years. Like, you go don dey the country for 5 years, you go don still don work, even though na black work, at least something go dey wey be say you go show say you don dey for the country for 5 years. And no be for people wey don get problem, wey don commit crime o. Maybe you go fight, you go do this, you go do that, they don't write your name down, they don't thumbprint you. No be for those people. They say you can see it for here, you can read it yourself. They say now people will be say they never commit crime for the country, wey be say their slate, their blackboard, they clean. Nothing like crime and all those things. Like say maybe you go involve yourself for cultists, or you go involve yourself for boyfriend and girlfriend, because that one they always bring our people problems. Say they go party, somebody look their girlfriend, they break bottle, they fight. If you know say you never involve all those things, you dey clean, so you dey entitled to apply. And again, another thing will be say you must get their AU now. You know, in every language for this European country, there is grade by grade for language. Like even in Italy, it still be like that. Italy, they will first know your level. They want to know your level of your, how you take the hear, how you take the speak, how you take the write. So they get A no, A do way, then B no, B do way, C no. That's why they go. As your level of the language they high, now so the teach they high by A, B, C, D. You understand? So if you know say, you know they go any school now, before they go start, go find one place, make you register yourself. You understand? At least make you get that one, even though now only 1 month you go, because we only have 20, how many days now to Christmas? You don't even reach 25 days again. So if you never see where you want hang, go find where, go hang yourself, make they go the school, so that it go dey easy for you when that time come. And again, for all those single mothers wey they use paper, they do shakara for boys, I beg, make una see say God don open another way for our boys. Even our girls too, because not be only girls they do am, some men too they do am. Wey be say if now they won't give the woman paper, they come they do shakara, they give condition, they do this one, they do that one. So now very good thing. And you too, when you know say you there for woman house now, when this good news won't come, no matter wetin the woman do you, make una no fight to, make una no fight. And this document where they won't give, no for people will be say they don't fight, use them, they don't complete, they do all those sort of things. Not be those kind of people. So for you now, where your plate, where your slate still dey clean, where be say you never chook your hand for all those things, you never chook your hand for any kind bad thing where go make them say you don't commit crime for their country. May you just know how you go take they do pele till that time no commit crime. No, even though they don't share the document, no me say may you still go commit crime, because I know people they don't give the document, they go they say we don't stand. When I remember say now then give you now the fit still collect am. So you know me say because they give you they do anyhow. But what I try to talk be say if you know say you never commit crime, you dey qualify for everything where you go take apply. May you stay away from crime, stay away for things where we say you go may no come stain you. You understand? Even though your baby mama they cause you endure am, so that you know go slap her now, come beat am, police go come, they'll come go interpret you. You know, it can't be like say after many years where you don't sit down, wait, nearly to when God can't touch the government of Germany mind say make a share document. At that time you can't go fight, can't spoil her. We pray say that kind of thing no go happen to her, because now document now be Europe. If you no get document, you know if you do many things. Even if you dey work now, black work you dey work. If anything happen to you, you know if you talk, because why? the government no know you, just it be like you dey work ghost work. Ghost work mean say the owner of the company no know you. Even though anything happen to you inside there, they no know you, and you no fit claim any damage. So document dey very very important for anybody who don leave the country come foreign land. Document dey very good. So if you know say you never get am, try to do everything make you get am. If na the school, go the school, make you still dey hear go come sit down here for German language, and make you try the things wey they need. They go need your passport and your nationality. If you no fit, because normally if you know, like for Italy wey me dey, if you no get document, you no fit do passport. So they can't get the one wey they do, they call am nationality. That one dey last for 1 year. Wetin you go do be say before that January now, I go advise you now say, may you know say embassy way e get as e take dey. So wetin me go tell you now, my fellow Nigeria wey dey Germany, be say now before they go start January 1st as they talk, make you go do your nationality down. Go your embassy, go to embassy for Berlin, go do your nationality, go do am for there, so that when the time come, you no go get, e go dey easy for you. No come to say na the dying minute you come dey run up and down dey find nationality wey you want to do am, because that nationality represent say you are from Nigeria. Is to show the country where you come from. You understand? Because anybody can just go. If you know, they need that thing to identify the country where you come from, because no be only Nigeria and I dey there, different country. And even for my Gambia and my Senegal, my Cameroon, Ghana, you go to your country embassy, go and do your nationality or your passport. If on an embassy they do passport without document, you go do am. But for Nigeria people, they know they do passport. But if you get passport already, we never expire, we still get long time to expire, good and fine. But if you know say you no get document, you no get passport, go to your embassy and do your nationality. If you know, if you get am for Germany, if you get person wey dey for Italy, they can help you to do it and post it to you, because so they'll post it to you. So I go dey very easy for you when the time comes. No be say na nearly to the end you can't dey run up and down. You understand? And that is why it's good make you do am down. So thank you very much. I appreciate you guys. Please share to 1 or 2 person, I beg you, and also subscribe. And they know they collect money now free. Thank you for watching. Bye bye guys. Ciao.